Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive deep into a game-changing technique that will transform how you use AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard. If you've ever wondered why some prompts yield generic responses while others give you exactly what you need, this is the guide for you. Today, we're unpacking the ultimate prompt formula, 6 building blocks that will elevate your AI interactions. Whether you're new to AI or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step approach will help you consistently generate high-quality outputs. Let's get started. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. To master prompting, you need to focus on 6 core components: task, context, exemplars, persona, format, and tone. While all 6 are valuable, they vary in importance. Here's a quick breakdown. Task: the action or goal you want to achieve. Context: background information that guides the AI. Exemplars: examples or frameworks to shape the response. Persona: the role or expertise you want the AI to adopt. Format: the structure of the output. Tone: the style or emotional approach for the response. Task: always start your prompt with an action verb like generate, analyze, write, or summarize. Be clear and concise about your end goal. For example, simple task: generate a 3-month training program for a 70 kg male aiming to gain muscle. Complex task: analyze 100 pieces of user feedback, identify the top 3 insights, and categorize them by team responsibility. A clear task ensures the AI knows precisely what you want. Context: providing the right context can be tricky because too much information can overwhelm the AI, while too little can lead to generic responses. To find the right balance, ask yourself, what's the user's background? What does success look like? What environment are they operating in? Example: instead of saying, give me a training program, enhance the context. I'm a 70 kg male looking to gain 5 kg of muscle in 3 months. I can work out twice a week for 1 hour each session. Create a program for this goal. Exemplars. Exemplars are examples or structures that improve the AI's understanding. Research shows that prompts with examples lead to better outputs. Example for resume writing. Input: rewrite this bullet point using the structure. I accomplished X by doing Y, which resulted in Z. I output: reduced hospital mortality by 10% through nurse training in new protocols, saving 200 lives annually. For complex tasks, frameworks like STAR, situation, task, action, result, can guide the AI. Interview prep example: based on my resume, write an answer to what's your biggest weakness, using the STAR framework. Persona: specify who you want the AI to emulate. This could be a professional role or a fictional character. Examples: act as a physical therapist and create a recovery plan. Adopt the persona of Warren Buffett and provide investment advice. For fun, draft an email from Batman to a team, including phrases like, let Alfred know. Format: visualize how you want the final output to look. Common formats include bullet points, tables, or paragraphs. Specify the structure explicitly to save time. Example for feedback analysis. Prompt: create a table with 3 columns: feedback, team responsible, and priority. Output: a neatly organized table ready to paste into a spreadsheet. For summaries, summarize this report with 3 key takeaways and use H2 headers for topics. Tone: define the tone to match your communication needs, whether casual, formal, enthusiastic, or witty. Pro tip: if you're unsure about tone, ask the AI for suggestions. I'm writing an email to a new team. I want to sound confident but approachable. Suggest 5 tone keywords. Let's create a prompt combining all 6 components. Persona: you are a senior product marketing manager at Apple. Context: you've just launched the Apple Car in collaboration with Tesla. Pre-orders hit 12,000, double the target. Task: write an email to Tim Cook sharing this news. Format: include a TLDR, background, results, and a thank you section. Tone: use clear and concise language with a friendly yet confident tone. The resulting output will be polished, tailored, and professional compared to a generic prompt like, "Write an email about the Apple car launch." Generic prompt: I launched the Apple car and got 12,000 pre-orders. Write an email to my boss. Enhanced prompt: with formula: you are a senior product marketing manager at Apple. I launched the Apple car with Tesla and received 12,000 pre-orders, 200% above target. Write an email to Tim Cook, including a TLDR, background, results, and a thank you section. Use a confident tone. The second prompt ensures the output is detailed, structured, and aligned with your needs. Now you know the 6 essential building blocks of effective prompts: task, context, exemplars, persona, format, and tone. By applying this formula, you can unlock the full potential of AI tools like ChatGPT, saving time and achieving better results.